There are two places you can join the Kennet and Avon Canal at Bath. This is the River Avon. You can go there to Widcombe, where we've seen before, the very tall gates, or there's a slower way in here. To Locksbrook. Gosh, that must be 180 years old now. Not too much of a stroll this morning, because this is going to be the last, final, ever, again, sort out of the van. Oh, not number 10? No, this is still number 9, continued. Yes. Huh. Yes. So those stacks of drawers there that are now empty are going to be filled with all the crap that's in the front. Alright, so once I take all this crap out of the void there, you can see that we still have 1, 2, half, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5 drawers available for filling with all that crap. I do have actual smoked wind deflectors for the front windows, but there's a twist and a controversy in the increasing mass debate on how you should fit these. This rucksack has been wasted by filling it with various masonry hinges and brackets and screws from the days 6 months ago where I deluded myself I could professionally carpenter a van build in 2 days. And I have to say, as I put all this stuff away in the bottom drawer, someone commented here that I'm glad I didn't make it a permanent build, because it's been so handy just to take everything out and start again. Anyone knows when you're doing any kind of a sort out, the most important thing you need is a bin. So I'm going to use this bag for life, to which I have zero emotional attachment. There you go, that'll do. Maybe it would be better if I rotated this top stack to face me. Yes, definitely easier. Yes, that's better. Don't know about that one though. Oh yeah, that's just my body wipes. Forgot I bought some rice couscous and noodles in a very earlier, rather feeble attempt at prepping. Being quite ruthless with what I throw in the bin. Look, see, I threw away that tissue paper I hadn't used for 4 months. That's ruthless. Actually, I need it again because my hands have got sticky with all of that Worcester sauce. It is going back in. I need that My Precious towel again to wipe my couscous off. August 2020. Alright, this is going well. That bag's empty. That's the insulation. That's the diesel heater. And that's my everyday clothing. There's the bin. Driver's seats free. Smoke visors for later. I'm wondering, when this tidy up is through, whether I'll even need these lovely Swiss briefcases, suitcases that I bought. Actually, I didn't pay much for them because I found a whole carnet of vouchers in the car park at Tesco, and you need to collect a certain number, like every 50 quid spend they give you a voucher, and I found a whole freaking book of them, and I just got as many of these posh Swiss cases for me and my mates as I could, so thank you Tesco. Problem is though, at the airport everyone else has one, so I tied a little girl's scrunchie to this to stop any arguments. But having no aeroplanes is the least of our worries this winter when the great reset comes. Get your tin food in, everyone. I reckon I'll put t-shirts in there, pants and socks in there. Looks like I've got plenty of room really. There is method in this madness yet for all the heavy stuff. We're talking tin food, tools, whatever, all at the bottom. All the lighter stuff, towels, USB wires and clothes, these are going in the top drawers. And someone asked me, why didn't I get a roof box? Well, I just don't want one. Yeah, I want to keep things small, compact, minimal, tidy, and it's been a 5-month journey to get to where I am now, and this is a good point. Right, that's emptied that suitcase and only half filled the drawers, so now I've got another one there of my posh clothes for if I ever get an office job again. Back in the days where we had industries and careers and jobs and stuff, most of the time I'd go for my interview in a suit and shirt, and that would be it. It'd be casual for them then on. It's only in like the public sector, what are now called essential jobs, that you need to wear shirts and ties. Oh, that was heavy. That's my wetsuit again. Best place for the wetsuit is to shove it down in the void, never to be seen again. That will do. Problem solved. Success by the inch is a cinch, but by the yard it is hard. It's just one small problem at a time. It's like when a computer does all its amazing things running its software. All it's doing is just binary arithmetic on ones and zeros. That's all it's doing. Do that billions of times a second and it's amazing. I'm not saying I'm sorting out billions of clothes into drawers every second. Maybe every minute. Tidy. If I can hold up the mink-lined mouse hole with this tiny little bead, I think it's called. Maybe. Yes. I'm composing another bag of bags here. Maybe I don't need all these bags either. I don't need 2 small rucksacks. I don't need an airport suitcase. I don't need a second airport luggage suitcase. Oh, my friend said he could look after this in his shop for as long as he has his business. So, as promised, we can play with the those new smoked wind deflectors now. Summarise, after filling all of those towers of drawers, all I have left is rubbish,
that's really nice.
unwanted luggage, hello, insulation and a diesel heater.